Yes, it's time for another news video. Sorry about the bit of injury on the face there. It's had a little bit of a collision. Anyway, it's not as bad as it looks. Yes, we got some news. So let's dive straight into the latest ham radio news. I don't know whether you've checked our website recently, but I have trouble in keeping up with it. All the new products that keep being added. I'm amazed. I mean, I sat down the other evening and I thought, gosh, I didn't know we sold that. I didn't know we sold that. I didn't know this was back in stock. So if you haven't checked our website recently, take a look at our website. We've got some great offers and we've got a great number of amateur radio items, both the big items that you need and the small items that you need to sort of get your station titivated a bit, make it work a bit better. So take a look at our website. It's I think you'll find it quite interesting. Might take you some while to wade through it though. Now, talking about wandering around our website, I must tell you that we've got a new supply of the W8683. You may never have heard of it. It's a weather station. In fact, I use one myself. Got one in the kitchen here. Had it for about 4 or 5 years. It's a great little weather station because it tells you the indoor temperature, the indoor humidity, the outdoor temperature, the outdoor humidity, the outdoor pressure, and it also gives you a forecast of what's going to happen to the weather. And I find it incredibly accurate. And it's quite a low cost item actually. You get 2 items. You get the main unit, which I've just shown you, and you've got a sensor to go outside. It's radio connected, so no cables at all. So take a look at that. It's an interesting little item. Now, we're nearly halfway through June 2024, would you believe? Don't forget the Yaesu CashBack. That ends in about 2.5 weeks' time. There's some good deals there. Let me run through now the items that are included in the Yaesu CashBack. My particular favourite is the Yaesu FT710 Field. Great radio, great transceiver, great deal at the moment with the Yaesu CashBack. Take a look. On the FTDX 101 MP, £260 saving. On the FTDX 101D, £260 saving. On the FTDX 10, £85 to save. Pick up the FT991A and save £85. Save £85 on the FT710 AESS. Save £85 on the FT710 Field. On the FTM 500D, £45. And on the FT200, also £45. And finally, on the FT5DE, £45. Now, I recently did a video on the Xiegu X6200 transceiver, and I was very impressed with it actually. In actual fact, I'm not sure whether I emphasised it enough, but I was really impressed when I attached an external speaker to it, because there is an internal speaker in the transceiver, but of course it's very small and you don't get the full flavour of the quality of signal that the X6200 can extract. But when I put an external speaker on, even a fairly small external speaker, I was amazed. The quality of the recovered signal was really amazing. It sounded almost like a base station transceiver. So if you've got the Xiegu, well actually it also applies to the Xiegu 6100. If you've got the 6100 or you're thinking of getting the X6200, both those transceivers have got about a ½ watt of audio coming out. Now, a ½ watt of audio may not seem very loud, but it's quite loud. And if you connect an external speaker to it, I think you'll be as impressed as I was. So give it a try. This is a quick demonstration of a couple of signals on my X6100.
4, 5 and 5 at best with QSB. Back to you, Earth. The aerial system is just it's about 10 metres of wire on a 9-to-1 Unan horizontal, and the rig's a 7300.
Now, talking about the X6200, which I started with just now, we are going to get the very first delivery into the UK. We have for a long time been the main dealers, the main appointed dealers in the UK, and we will be getting the first delivery. No other dealer will be getting a delivery for some while. We've got the first delivery allocated to us, and if you're looking for the X6200, want to buy one or want to be put on the list, then give us a call or send us an email, because you could be one of the very first owners of this beautiful new transceiver in the UK. Now, if you don't want to get on the list, and not everybody wants to get on the list, then let me tell you about our new blog. We've been running this for a little while now, but I don't think we've publicised it that much. If you go onto my website, top left corner of the website, you'll see something called blog. And basically, this is a blog that is made up from all our videos we publish. Every time we publish a video, we also publish a blog to go with it, and the blog very often is more comprehensive, or at least in parts, than some of the videos. So if you want to keep up to date with what's happening in ham radio, particularly relevant to ourselves, Waters and Stanton, then go to the top left hand corner of our website, click on blog. I think you'll be very impressed with the way it's presented. So there we are, another little tip for you. Now, the good news this month, and we've only just received it actually today, is that Icom are going to do an offer on the IC-705. It starts as from today. If you buy an IC-705, you're going to get this lovely rucksack that goes with it. It's purpose made for the IC-705, and I'll put some pictures up on the screen now. You can see not only can you fit your IC-705 in and use it basically inside the rucksack, it's placed right at the top, you can see that in the pictures, but not only does it fit nicely in the rucksack, there's plenty of room in the rucksack for accessories like antennas, antenna wire, your antenna analyzer, etc, etc. Now, that rucksack is completely free when you buy a 705 from us, an IC-705 from us. So another interesting freebie, and if you're thinking about buying an IC-705, this could well be the time, particularly as we're in the summer. In the summer, have you seen the weather, Peter? Well, yes, actually the weather's not that good, I must admit, but I'm told on good authority that it might get better. Well, there we are. Let's be honest, it can't get much worse, can it? What else is coming up? Well, actually, I think the next video is going to be about random wire antennas. You know, I've had a lot of correspondence recently with some of the ham radio operators, particularly new operators, asking about the random wire antenna. What is it? Does it work? Is it worth erecting? Is it going to be as good as other wire antennas? Is it going to give me all bands from if I've got a small garden, etc, etc? Well, I'm going to take a look at the random wire antenna, so that may well be the next video. There we are. In the meantime, thank you for watching this very short video really. I just wanted to bring you the news of what we're doing, what's happening, and particularly of course the Icom offer. Don't forget the IC-705. In the meantime, you enjoy your ham radio, you take care, and as usual, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.